In entertainment news in South Africa, we go up the Garden Route, and it's almost the Easter weekend, long weekend in South Africa. And typically, many of the people, especially from Cape Town, will go on the Easter long weekend. One of the popular spots to visit on the Garden Route is Sedgefield. So it's a town between George and Knysna. It's very popular. It's on the coast. It's beautiful. A great coastline as well that is quite close there, and it's got a great character, Sedgefield. It was proclaimed, the town was proclaimed all the way back in 1929, and it's got about 1,500 or 15,000 rather permanent inhabitants and lots of holiday makers that go in and out. It's got property there as well. So for holiday, you've got the beach, and it's close to the coastal towns as well, Fort George and Knysna, for instance. And it is also golf is a big component. There's a Fynbos Links that is at Sedgefield, but also just close. You can drive just a few kilometers in the direction of George and Knysna, and then you have Bazula and also Samola. Those are two brilliant estate golf courses that you can also go and play golf when you visit there. So for tourism, it is massive, Sedgefield, and it is brilliant for holidays, for weekends like in the Easter weekend. You can go on walks and cycle and also go on a run, and the scenery is unparalleled. It is, you can go to Gericke's Outlook, or the Lookout Point. That's quite a popular place in Sedgefield. And then also you can go and walk in the Fynbos. So that is unique. That is unique for that Sedgefield and the wine route or the garden route area. And it is close to Cape Town, or fairly close. It's 480 kilometers. It sounds like a long distance. It's about 5 to 6 hours, but a popular route for visitors to go. And so that is all going to happen quite soon in the Easter weekend. So if you're visiting South Africa, go and visit Sedgefield on the Garden Route. That is entertainment news in South Africa.